Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. And if you are new here, please subscribe, click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to draft a Princess Dart bustier. So I have drafted out the basic bodies already. If you are not really good with basic bodies, you can check the description box. I have dropped a link there for you to watch a full tutorial on basic bodies. The first line is my bust, the second line is my under bust, the third line is my waist, and the last line is 1 inch sewing allowance. The next thing I'll do is to draft out my front armhole. In order to get the front armhole, I will get the upper chest line, and the upper chest line is bust divided by 4, and my bust divided by 4 is 38 divided by 4, which is 9.5, and that is what I marked out there. So I'll look for the midpoint of my armhole, and my armhole is 8 inches, the midpoint will be 4, so and I will go in by 0.5 inch in order to have my front armhole curve. The next thing I'll do is to draft out my nipple to nipple measurement, and my nipple to nipple measurement is from one bust point to the second bust point. My nipple to nipple measurement is 8 inches. 8 inches divided by 2 is 4. For my bust line, I'm going to add 0.5 inch, which will give me 4.5 inches. So the second line, which is under bust, I'm going to put 4 inches, and the waist and the last line also. The next thing I'll do is to take my ruler and draw a straight line connecting the 4.5 inch to the 4 inches straight this way, as you can see. The next thing I'll do is to measure out 2 inches from the nipple to nipple measurement. At my under bust, I'll take out 2 inches this way, and I'll take out 2 inches also from the waist and also from the sewing allowance, and I'll draw a straight line. This measurement depends on the bust measurement. If your bust measurement is from 0 to 30 inches, you use 1 inch, and if your bust measurement is from 31 to 37 inches, you use 1.5 inch, and from your bust measurement from 38 to 42, you use 2 inches, and from 43 to etc., you use 2.5. The next thing to do is to measure 1 inch from the bust measurement downwards. Then you place your curve roll, or your French curve if you are using a French curve, or you can also use your free hand to do it. You curve it from your under bust to that 1 inch you measured. The next thing I'll do is to take the measurement of my new armhole curve after coming in by 0.5 inch. So my new armhole curve is 10 inches. So at the midpoint of my 10 inches is 5 inches. So I will mark that 5 inches. And at my bust line from the nipple to nipple measurement, I will go up by 1 inch, and I'll connect it this way. Then I'll take my French curve and connect from this 1 inch to this new mid armhole that I've marked out. After that is done, I will come to this new midpoint, and I will measure out 0.75 downwards from that midpoint, and I will mark. Then I will go up also from that midpoint, and I'll mark out 0.75, and I'll also mark. Then the next thing I'll do is to connect from that 0.75 to this 1 inch that I came up from this bust point this way. I'll just connect it to this. The next thing I'll do is to add this 0.75 plus the 0.75, and I will extend this down part by 1.5 inch, because 0.75 plus 0.75 will give us 1.5 inch. So I will extend it. After that is done, I will take out my bust measurement. My bust measurement is 38 inches. 38 inches divided by 4 will give me 9.5 inches. The next thing to do is to take out my round body measurement. My bust measurement is 38 divided by 4 is 9.5, and my under bust is 31 divided by 4 is 7.75. Then my half length, which is my waist, is 33 divided by 4 will give me 8.25, and for each of these measurements I'll add 2 inches sewing allowance on the bust, under bust, and half length after I take out the actual measurements. After 2 inches sewing allowance at the under bust, I will also add 2 inches for these 2 inches that we take out for this our under bust curve. I'll add 2 inches and draw my straight line, as you can see. At the half length also, I will take out the actual measurement, add 2 inches sewing allowance, and also add 2 inches for this 2 inches we took out when we were trying to take the curve, the bust curve. The next thing to do is to go to the armhole and add 1.5 inch. That's this 1.5 inch that I took out for the dart. I'll add the 1.5 inch, and I'll also add 2 inches for sewing allowance. The next thing I'll do is to connect my dart to the 1.5 I added for the dart measurement I took, this way, as you can see. If you are doing everything I'm showing you step by step, you won't make any mistake. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get notification whenever I upload new videos, and also comment. Feel free to comment, ask your questions, or type princessdartbustier on the comment section. The next thing I'll do is to connect my points that I've measured out in order to bring out my body's shape. So I'll connect the lines together from my armhole to my under bust, and from my under bust to my waist, this way, as you can see. The next thing I'll do is to connect my neckline. This way, you place your French curve and you take a shape, though it depends on the shape of neckline you want. So that is that for the front Princess Dart Bustier. So the next thing I'll do now is to cut out my pattern, to cut it out so you see the shape. When you are cutting, please be careful so you don't make a mistake, and please watch what I am doing very well. Please, all what I'm asking of you is to like my video. Please like my video and subscribe. Please, thank you very much. May God bless you, and I am grateful. Thank you.